So yeah, take you through line system administration. These are almost way student at University of Africa campus. So we are going to look at chapter 4 exercises starting with question 1. Let's get started. So we're going to use the VM software running on Ubuntu. So come here, we need to edit them. These are the files that are in my home directory. This is the home directory. These are the files there, and these are the files in the home directory. So once I come here, I want to run these, to do all these questions running in the terminal. So I'm going to press Alt F1. Inside the terminal, I'm going to put the username as well as the password. Inside the terminal. Please remember we saw desktop, always and share. So press LS, still will be displayed. Those are the only present in the home directory. So since we are all comers and we can let's get started with question 1. Question of the telling me that tapping the user on the right slide, this list of users will be tried. The hint is I try just to go on its own. That's what is happening. So since they are giving me a hint to say who, there are only those 2 users who are logged in. List of users logged in, they are only those ones. So they are telling me the list of users in who output to be sorted and remove any duplicates. So once I want to remove any duplicates, I'm going to look it up. Come here and sort those users, and I say unique. So if there is any duplicate, it won't be displayed here. Since they are different, T1 and T7, and there is no duplicate. A duplicate means it will be of any terminal or any user logging in the machine. So they are telling me again to use the try command, to use the last command to display a record of login sessions. So I'm going to type last. This is the list of the login sessions. Then they are telling me, and then try reversing it with tab. Now let's look very carefully at the bottom. The bottom there is PKS/1 and at the top there is TT1. So when I press arrow key up, then I outline with the tab to reverse it. You will find that TT1 is at the bottom, then PTS1 is at the top. So they are telling me again, I'm outlining it using the less command. So I press arrow key up, outline with the less. Still it will come like that. So you can see that they are less the details of the last sessions that we logged in. So when I press Ctrl D, you can see that now they have brought the other which were left out. So when I press 2, come back to the bash. Yeah. Now alphabet C is done. Now they are telling me on alphabet D to use the send command to put it in this spelling environment and use it on a test file containing the fields of text to check it. So they are telling me to create a text file called test file and insert some few texts containing the word environment, which has been wrongly spelled, and the right spelling must be environment. So they create that text file and post the cards. Test file.txt. This is the file with the contents of the books, and then environment is good. That is the first text, and I'll say here John is ML. I'm going to say is ML. Then I say here Fort. So those are the few things I'm going to put. So I'm going to press enter, I press Ctrl D, so when I want to know those, when I want to know the contents within that file text file, I press start test tab key to bring all those details. So let's kindly look at the words misspelled, and we are going to correct them. How? They are telling me to use the set command. Come set. This is the syntax. Set, bring the single quote, press this, and I press the misspelled word environment, environment, I slash to the correct word, environment, then I slash, put key and close the quote, the simple quote like that. Then I have test file and I have key. So you'll see that now for this one it has been corrected. So when I want to correct most of the files, I can just press arrow key up like that. Then I come here, still I do the same thing, grab on this one, and I'm going to say melee to end, and then I slash. That will say that it is also corrected even though I press arrow key up. This one I also make some adjustments. Forward slash forward I slash like that. So you will see that this one is also correct. So when you look at the top there, Johnny is melee, environment is good, arm for forward, environment is good. They are showing me that correctly spelled it, environment is good. So when I test at still, I test file, still, test file like that. Now those were the previous ones. Once I correct here, what we've been doing, set the environment, you set that is okay. Then I come here again, set melee, even that one is corrected. Even when I come here, set for, even that one is corrected. So you see the relevance of this command. So they're telling me to number the lines in the output of the previous question. So when I'm to number the lines, I'm going to say NL test key, and the numbers will be numbers. Over here, made some changes, only few. So you can see that the numbers are numbers. So, but let's do this because they had the reason why they say that if does not work if the missing code occurs more than once on the same line. Does it work if the misspelling occurs more than once on the same line? It doesn't work. It only works if the misspelling occurs on only one line. So we've seen that we've also tested another option. Hope we are set to go. So now we've seen that it doesn't work. So they're telling us we have already numbered. I think we are done with question 1. So let's go to question 2 of chapter 4. Thank you so much for following. So now to get out of the terminal, I press Ctrl Alt, then I save.